Welcome everyone to today's video on my channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through resolving issues with installing the Xbox app from the Microsoft Store, particularly when encountering the error code 0x87E0000D. If you're facing this error, follow the steps demonstrated here. If you can't install from the Microsoft Store, try downloading it from the Xbox website. The link is provided in the video description. Simply open the link in your browser, download the app, and run the setup. If installation still fails, you can use the sfc and dism commands. Type PowerShell in the Windows search bar, right-click on Windows PowerShell, and select Run as Administrator. Then, execute the provided commands one by one. Ensure you've logged into the Microsoft Store with the correct account. Open Microsoft Store, click on your profile icon, sign out, sign in again with the right account, and proceed. Verify your computer's date, time, and time zone settings. Right-click on the date and time in the bottom right corner, select Adjust Date and Time, and ensure the settings are correct. Run the WS-reset command by typing it into the Windows search box, then execute it. This will reset the Microsoft Store cache. Repair or reset the Microsoft Store app by typing Store in the Windows search box, right-clicking on Microsoft Store, selecting App Settings, and choosing the Repair option. If the issue persists, perform a system reset by typing sreset in the Windows search box, executing it, and letting the process complete. Delete the Microsoft Store local cache files. Open File Explorer. Navigate to the Packages folder under your user account's App Data directory, find the Microsoft Windows Store folder, and delete the Local Cache folder. Ensure all Windows updates are installed by clicking on Get Updates in the Microsoft Store library. Start all necessary services by typing Services in the Windows search box, opening the Services app, ensuring the Windows Update and Microsoft Store install service are running and set to automatic. Keep your Windows up to date by checking for updates in the Settings menu. If all else fails, uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft Store using PowerShell commands provided in the video description. Try installing the application or game on a different drive if possible. Rename the WP System and Windows Apps folders by taking ownership of them through their properties. Configure Internet options by enabling TLS protocols through the enecble.cpl command. Update your Windows to the latest version using the media creation tool provided on the Microsoft website.